Welcome. In this world show you how to get the Maybank Swift code. So as you can see, I'm on a Wise website, and I also make sure to leave a link to this down in the description for you. Here you want to select the country, which is Malaysia, then you want to select the bank name. Let's see if we can find it. All right, let's take a look at this website, Melian Banking. So let's type this in and lay in banking, and we should be able to find it. Yeah, here it is. Then you'll need to choose a city so that you can get the exact Swift code. Click on Find Swift Code, and you can see this is the branch right here. You have the address, you have the bank name, and you can even copy the Swift code right here. So on this website you can basically get the exact Swift code for each branch, so that's really useful. And as I said before, I'll make sure to leave a link to this website down in the description for you, and that's how to find Maybank Swift code. If this is helpful, make sure to like the video, and thank you for watching.